So today, quick presentation about how we do client portals. Client portals are very helpful. Like today we did the design for a customer and I wanted to show you how we approach this thing. So what is the purpose of a client portal? A client portal avoids and deflects some customer service calls. It's amazing because instead of answering 100 calls per day, you can just answer maybe 20, which is amazing. So here we have a classic like specialty trade company who will do some custom manufacturing for a client, and they usually will like do a sale with a customer, and from this time they want to give them access to a specific portal, so you have a self-service for answering the best, like one of the most important questions, the Wismo, where is my order? So through a client portal where you can give the client access through his email and contract number, this is the things that you would like usually to show. So a file opening, in production, order received at your warehouse, and installation or installation complete. But the client portal can go way beyond that. Usually you can use it also as a way to communicate a heads up, a reminder, to make sure that you manage the expectation that your customer is prepared for your value add activity. So for example, during file opening, you can do the upload of the deposits. Or you can also do the upload of different measurements, confirmations, so that the customer confirms. You can also like say that, oh, heads up, someone will come at your apartment tomorrow. There's another thing that you can also do is actually ask the client to do some actions on your behalf instead of your team to doing them. That's one of the concepts we saw in the previous videos. You can also offload some of the activities to your partners and also to your customer. So example, pay the deposit right now through a portal instead of you actually doing that. If they want to ask a question, they can also do it through a portal. If they want to report a problem, same thing. Instead of calling, they can do it through here. Pay the final invoice, same thing. But one of the things that I like the most is actually increasing the consciousness level or the education level of your customer when it comes to the service you're gonna deliver. So you can always link some educational videos depending on the stage you are on, okay, how do you prepare for this step of the process? Or how do you get ready for the moment where the team comes and installs at your house? Like let's say clean your windows or make sure that the dogs are on a leash or or something like this. And finally, you can also use it as a way to increase your sales, which is amazing. So operations can also be a vehicle of you increasing your revenue. It's not only a cost department. Now operations, that we saw in other examples, is a vehicle for you to increase the value and growth of your business. So usually when you know that the expectations are managed very well and your customer approaches the end of the contract, there's a way for you to generate some traction, either through upselling them or cross-selling other services in your company, or you incentivize them to leave a positive review or leave you some great photos about the project you did with them, or even give you a referral instead of some discount or some future like cash compensation. So that's pretty much it. See you in the next